sweetly. I was just talking to the Canadian Outlaws as well on 420, and yeah, I thought I'd swing the bean down your way and have a little listen. But yeah, you're 5 and 7 with me, mate.
Oh, nice one, Sam. I managed to get the VSWR a little bit better on the antenna this morning. Had another fiddle about with it, mate. I'm just cranked the video camera up here, Sam, so you can hear yourself, mate. And I'll just pan across to the antenna, which is obviously not the best there. And back again. Yeah, we managed to get the swire down, Sam. We was running on around about sort of 2.5. And we're sort of 1.5 to 2 now, mate. So I think it's made a slight improvement. Go ahead.
Yeah, well, it sounds nice. I must admit, audio's really nice and punchy. I might be slightly off frequency on one of my masses at the minute. The HF radios that are packed away for the winter, they're not going to stay out in the shack anymore. So I've just got 3 export radios out here at the minute. But this one takes a bit of warming up. I can't remember what one I was on last. I've swapped them around and they both look identical. I can't remember what one's what, but hopefully I'm not too off frequency to you, Mark. Back to you.
No, you're 100%